day, the villagers suffered from unknown illness, and some of them even died. The news spread quickly to the king. The king Erlangga ordered Empu Barada to stop the curse. As a prize, Empu Barada commended his aiden. Empu Bahula to go to Gira village and proposed Ratna Manggali. Chalanara was very happy because there a man proposed her daughter. She gave her daughter a very big wedding ceremony. Ratna Manggali was very grateful and loved her husband so much. One day, Empu Bahula asked Ratna Manggali to store her mother's magic book. When Chalanara was asked, Empu Barada, what did make you come here? I already know the weakness. Stop this curse! Or when I know you stole my magic book, give it back or you will die. Chalanara attacked Empu Barada. They started fighting each other, but because Empu Barada had the magic book, in the end he won the fight and killed Chalanara. And that was the tale of Chalanara. The moral value of the story is, as humans should control our anger and do not harm others. I hope there's something good and can be learned from this story. Thank you for watching. I'm Kezia. See you next time.